Today I'm sharing 3 different ways that you can use one song in your music classroom right in the beginning of the year in January. It's called Happy New Year's. Let's get to the 3 ways right away. Happy New Year is a free song in the Sing Play Create free resource library. You can get it by subscribing here. The song is easy to learn and you can pick it up the very first time. There are vocal and accompaniment tracks included in this free resource. The first way we're going to do it today is with a jingle bell. I would use this activity for kindergarten, and if I'm teaching preschool or even younger, I would use a jingle bell. Any jingle bell or rhythm shaker will work for this game. We're going to play the jingle bell to the music, and I'm going to encourage the students to play on the steady beat. The second way to use this free song, Happy New Year, is with a bean bag or something you can pass. You could use a stuffed animal, something soft, a plush toy, whatever works for you. We're going to ask students to play on the steady beat. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to, then they pass it to their neighbor. Now, if you don't have enough bean bags for everyone, that's okay. Just use one. I would only use one to start anyway with the game, as everybody's getting back into music land when we come back from the break, and I would teach them from one bean bag and then add in more as each grade level can do it. So with kindergarten, I might only use one bean bag for the entire time. With 6th grade, I might make sure that everybody has something to pass and challenge them to do it exactly on the beat. Here's how to play the game. The song is in AABA form. So we're going to repeat the A section 2 times, and we're only going to pass the beanbag on the word you. So the other thing that's great about this song is beat 1 is a rest. So great game for 1st and 2nd grade. Here's how I would do it. They're going to feel the beat in their hand. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you, and then pass it. Now you can choose, you can have them pass hand to hand, or you can have them pass so that it's just placed on the floor next to them. Whatever works for you. I've done it all different ways. Then that part repeats. Ooh, 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 and then it repeats. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, 5, 6, 7, and pass on 8. Oh, this is a great counting song. It's fun to play with the beanbags. It'll give everybody something to do. Then on the B section, I would just have them do some hand actions. May the new year. Just let them either free or just make up some actions as you listen to the song. And they can roll their hands, they can wave, they could even stand up for that part and then have to sit back down so they're ready to go. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you. All right, and then so it's AABA. You can teach them about pattern. You can teach them the beat. You can talk about the rest at the beginning of each measure. Lots of fun ways to use one song across several grade levels. The third way that we're going to use this song is with a ukulele lesson. In the song freebie, it comes with the chords, which are C, F, G7, and D7. So your students can play along with the sheet music that I have in a presentation, or you can print it for them to look at. And then also you can sing and teach them to sing and play. And then so I have a way that I like to teach the chords to my students. And the way that I do it is I just pick one chord at a time. Easy, because I taught ukulele to third graders when I first started, and boy, they would just get very worried about too many chords all at once. So let's just take one at a time. And it's easy to just play on the beat. And then we're going to take the F chord and play on the beat. And then we're going to take the G7 chord, play on the beat, and then the D7 chord, and then the C chord. When my students are first learning this song, I just have them play along with the beat. And if you're doing this song coming back from the holiday break, I found that I'm going to have to review a lot of the rules and even some of the things I thought they knew. We're going to go ahead and just repeat on the steady beat. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you. So now it repeats the A section. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year to you. I would teach them the A section and have them practice that first, and then most likely I would not teach them the B section till the second class time. In the free resource, there are tracks, accompaniment tracks and karaoke tracks. So you can do your traditional way of teaching where they pat the beat, then they sing the song, clap the rhythms, and then you could pull the ukuleles out and have them do that even the second or third class time. And so you could use this resource over the whole month of January, breaking it down into smaller sections and combining it with the lessons you've already got planned or other movement or beat and rhythm activities that you're trying to get your students to do in your music class. I hope you've enjoyed learning 3 different ways you can use Happy New Year. Be sure to go get it from the Sing, Play, Create free resource library. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you will like and subscribe to this channel so I can keep giving you lessons and activity ideas. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music. Have a happy, happy New Year.